Hey everyone, Aja here from Panda Monium. We decided to come to downtown Prescott. I've never been here before. We've camped in the area, but never visited downtown. They have a museum across the street. Pretty cute town. It is a bit of an overcast, windy day. I should have probably brought my jacket. Oh, there's a stream that goes through town. We're in the intersection of Gurley and Granite. I like some of these old buildings. That's an old hotel down there, St. Michael. There's Gurley Street Grill. I think we're gonna try to find somewhere to eat for lunch. Uh-oh, fish fry, all you can eat, only $15. So it says Whiskey Row starts at the lobby bar. I think this is a pretty old hotel, and we'll come back to it, but there's an alleyway there past the bus. I think that's actually Whiskey Row alley. KW Commercial. Oh, I thought it was property for sale. I think it's all commercial. Wait, I've never seen one that goes diagonal. Have you? Kind of weird. Here's the button for it. We're gonna head over to the park. Actually, I think this is the front side of Whiskey Row. All the shops here, where the saloons used to be. Okay, Yavapai County is the county we're in. Here's some info about Prescott if you want to pause and read. And that is the Yavapai County Courthouse. No alcohol, no camping, no skating, skateboarding, blah, blah, blah. This is just, I believe, in this general area. Centennial tree planted February 14, 2012, presented by the citizens of Arizona from the citizens of Yavapai County. Oh, look at this huge bronze statue. See, it says, unveiled July 3rd, 1907. Wow, that was a while ago. Wow, those are some massive columns. What a very well manicured and beautiful area. I love the fountain slash pool. I can actually smell chlorine. Wonder if anybody's ever used this as a pool. Dual function. This is the Yavapai County Fallen Officer Memorial. Moo-moo. No pets allowed in the gazebo area. It's a pretty fancy one. We're gonna cross back over and go down Whiskey Row. Well, moo-moo got a nice treat from the ladies over there. Yeah, this is the weirdest intersection because it stops all traffic. There's the crossways, and then also you can cross that way. What?
It's a proximity.
Proximity.
You just wave your hand.
Oh, the thing keeps on saying, wait, 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 wait. You just wave it. So they have a bistro, putting on the hats. Is that like putting on the Ritz? I guess so. They just have a bunch of different hats for sale. Cute. Oh, nice. Goldmine Jewelers, French Hen. Seems like a clothing shop. Yeah, only one saloon. This one is Matt's Saloon, Whiskey Row. Huh, seems kind of empty. Kickapoo Express Jewelry. Oh, look at that. Like the staircase down. It looks like an old saloon too. Those are cool. Wonder what's down there. Okay. Let's see. More apparel. Artful Eye jewelry. A lot of jewelry and clothing. More so than saloons. For it to be called Whiskey Row. Painting, sculpture, jewelry, bronze, pottery. Oh, that's this here. Ooh, look at that. That's pretty cool. Look at that bull's head. It's some kind of like automotive piping. Nice. Oh, and only $3,600. That's where we were, over at the courthouse. Wild Heart. Oh, Wild at Heart. Oh.
Prescott.
Oh, Prescott. That's how it's pronounced. We call it Prescott. A bunch of signs. Look at the sloth. Route 66.
They named her Winnie.
Can I get a picture of her?
Winnie on the ranch.
Look at it, it's another moo-moo.
Look, another moo-moo.
That was too cool. She described her dog as a lot of candy for a nickel. What's this? That's a nice courtyard. Well, behind bars. They have a mural on the wall. Ooh, they have an ice cream shop. I might have to come back here. What is that? 10 fudge flavors. Nice. Oh, look at those. I love how they hung those glass plates. They have more glass plates. Oh, those are pretty. And look at the glass flowers in the back. I didn't really see a lot of restaurants. I was hoping for some place to stop and eat because, huh?
Grateful Dead night.
Oh, Grateful Dead? What is this? Oh, this is the Birdcage Saloon. Cool. There's a sign up there. Seems like a pretty cool place. It said, be nice or leave. Well, they have an open mic night. You have the Italian artisan gelato, J-Lo. We were just on Whiskey Row. Now we're at Whiskey Row Alley. It doesn't seem like a lot. It's just the back of most of the buildings. Oh, there's the back of the Birdcage Saloon. Huh. Oh, they have the Firehouse Plaza, which has a bakery, boutiques, shops, saloons, back alley, bar. What?
The Laser Girl sign.
Look, they have a Laser Girl skincare sign. This is kind of disappointing. I thought, you know, it'd be cool if they had vendors back here and stuff.
They got some murals.
Yeah, a mural. Prescott, Arizona. Or some people might call it Prescott. But they would be wrong. It looks like they tore some stuff down to build the parking garage, but maybe it was better at one point in time when it was actually an alley that had things in it. Does anybody want some grumpy Sicilian pizza and more? Oh, I like that backdrop with the 3 shadow figures. It's a cute little courtyard here. This is for the palace. Yeah, it's unfortunate they didn't do more with this alley. It's kind of a missed opportunity.
It's really old. This
Real old? Oh, wow. Oh, yeah. Look at this old alley. Oh, that's pretty cool. But if you're claustrophobic and don't like narrow enclosed spaces, probably wouldn't want to go down there. Okay, we're at the end of Whiskey Row Alley. Oh, nice mural. It's covered with boxes. Oh, they got Ginza Sushi, Asian cuisine. More shops. Oh, that's interesting. Huge. Momo, you need some bakery, a Whiskers Bakery? A lot of dog stuff. I called it bakery, but it's actually Whiskers Barkery. And we are back to the creek. Here's some information. It's kind of small print, so I don't know if you'll be able to read this or not, but if you can pause and read. Dinner Bell Cafe, breakfast, lunch, Creekside. It's Casa Alvarez, Mexican food. What is that? Oh. Was that the way we're taking, I guess? Because we are parked on the other side. Oh, look at the murals over here. That's pretty cool. Wait, where are you going? Oh, are we that way? I thought we were that way. It's definitely thick vegetation. I believe these are cottonwoods. They like to live by a water source. Together we create community. That's definitely faded. Ooh, this looks creepy. Girly Street. That's what it's called. Caution, low clearance. You wouldn't want to come riding your bike and smack your head on one of these beams. That'd be unfortunate. Oh, okay. I was up there earlier And this is where the ducks were swimming down the creek. So we're over here. I'd have totally been lost. Yeah, I love the murals here. That one's pretty cool with all the snow. Oh, there's a moon one there. What is it? Oh, someone's carved. Is that an old cactus?
Oh, it's a tree trunk.
Or a tree trunk? Tree trunk, I couldn't say it. Oh, it's a dragon. That's cool. More murals. There's those 3 ducks from earlier. Here's some information about Granite Creek Trail Mural Project if you want to pause and read. Wow, look at all the cottonwood kind of fluff seeds. It's all in the creek as well. Oh my God, it's so thick. Look at that. It's like cotton. Oh, look at that cute little camper back there. Huh, the wheel well?
Yeah.
Oh, that is neat. It's kind of different. Here's more of the mural. I like it. Very nice. Better than just a cement wall. I don't know. Jimmy asked how old do you think that structure is there. Looks kind of old. Oh, look at the Airstream next to it. Nice. This is a cute little path. Really enjoying it. If you have a home here, you can take advantage of it every day. Right by the creek. A lot of cute houses here. Oh, look at that cabin. I remember that cabin, so we must be close. I love that house. It's so cute and whimsical. Got the dogs in tow. And we are gonna go find a restaurant to have something to eat.
You want to do the buffet?
It's up to y'all. I'm not super hungry for a buffet, but I mean, you know, I could eat it. Prescott is definitely hill country. There's just tons of hills and mountains. Come to a WZ Asian buffet. Seems pretty busy for lunch, so that's a good sign. Ew, that makes me dizzy. Look at the waving kitty cat. Ooh, it looks all fancy. Okay, plates, down low. Oh, they have seafood noodle is what they call it. It's a big spoon. Okay, so I've got my first plate, which is lo mein, some chicken, sushi, and a sticky bun. Wow, this place is so new, it's busy. I was bumping into people trying to get food. I got my second plate. Just got some plain white rice, green beans, and 2 different kind of chickens, teriyaki, and I forget what kind. I think this is a honey chicken. Yes, it's definitely really busy here. Anyways, my last plate is dessert. I just got a sweet bun and ice cream and a little cake. Okay, well, I am definitely full, but not overly full. That was perfect. We're going to head back to base camp. It's about a 2-hour drive from here. We've made it back to home base. Yesterday was such a windy day here. That's why we decided to head over to Prescott to do some shopping, which was for the other channel, Garden Days, and also to explore Prescott, and I had such a great time. It was a wonderful place. I've actually never explored it. We've been camping, like I said there, but yeah, I've never gone downtown and explored. So that was a lot of fun. And then we got to do some shopping, which I said is for the other channel, so for some plants and statuary. So if you're interested in that, you can go check out that video over there. It was nice to escape the property and the projects, but this is my next RV project that's gonna be coming up. We're gonna install a max fan, but that will definitely have to be a different video. Today is just slightly breezy, and look at that view. Not a lot of clouds, but blue sky. as far as you can see. So when I was in Prescott, I ended up getting this TV. We had gone back and forth between having a projector, because we like to have movie night from time to time here on the property, and also we do when I have my birthday party and everybody's here. But we used to have a big projector screen, and Jeff just bought a new one, but you can't watch it during the day, and this was only $299. It's a 70-inch, and we got it at Costco when we were in Prescott. So I couldn't pass it up. I was like, wow, that's amazing. For a 70-inch TV, $299. And they were flying out the door. They only had, I think, 2 pallets of these. So I went ahead and got this, and I thought this would work really well. Jeff had actually bought the mounts and the outdoor cover, and we installed it, which was actually fairly easy. I thought it was gonna be a lot more complicated, but we did bolt it all the way through, so it's really secure and in place. Have outdoor TV, awesome. Just gotta set it up real quick. So yay, moo-moo, got outdoor TV now. It's awesome. I don't have the outdoor cover on right now, only if it rains I'll put that on. Yay, an outdoor entertainment center. But I am going to redo the deck area. I bought the paint, and we're gonna paint it instead of stain it. The stain, just like I had mentioned in previous videos, it doesn't seem to last very long. So this deck paint is supposed to last 5 years plus. Are you gonna help with the painting? No? Anyways, that'll be much better than having to do it every year. Coming soon will be the outdoor kitchen that's gonna go here. I'm just gonna build an island. I haven't decided if I wanna build an island here or just put a big table or find an island. I'm not sure yet, but yeah, that's gonna be coming up soon. Don't forget, if you haven't checked out Garden Days, we've been adding a lot of plants into the garden this season. So I'll leave a link in the description below if you wanna check that out. More plants to plant in for Garden Days, and we just installed this fence here. I just wanted to block off this area because it can get a little messy, so I didn't want to have to see that from the courtyard, and I thought it looked better with this kind of privacy fence there. And I think that looks good. I just need to add a good thick coat of paint, and it's doing the purpose of hiding the barrels. Okay, well, I've got to get to my project. Today is going to be Garden Days. We have to get the watering system back on for the plants because the hot weather is coming, or the warmer weather I should say, so these plants are definitely gonna need to be watered. So I'm gonna redo the actual sprinkler system or drip system. I actually do have little sprinklers, and I want to switch those out to drip system because it will keep the line pressurized. With the sprinklers, the more I add in, the less pressure is in the line, so that's not working out like I wanted to. So anyways, yeah, I want to thank y'all for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, if you want to check out more videos, you can do it right here. If you want to subscribe or check out Patreon. We'll see you next time. Bye for now. Mwah.